Pursell Controlled Release Fertilizer has been a trusted, sustainable source of plant nutrition in the golf, nursery, and landscaping industries for decades. Now, with Pursell's innovative coating technology and patented manufacturing process, controlled release fertilizer is a viable, economical option for commercial crop production as well. When farmers use traditional sources of nitrogen, only a fraction is used by the plants, and the rest is lost in the air and the groundwater. But controlled release coatings make fertilizer more stable and productive, so more nutrients are delivered to the plants longer into the growing season. Plant uptake is optimized when nutrient availability is properly synced with nutrient needs, or nutrient delivery is in the zone. When more nutrients are available than the plant can use, the risk of environmental pollution and plant damage is high. When nutrient availability is too low or below the zone, there is more risk of poor plant health and reduced productivity. With traditional uncoated and slow-release fertilizers, nutrient availability can be short-lived, unpredictable, and inconsistent, resulting in nutrient availability that is too high or too low for much of the growing season. But with Pursell Controlled Release Fertilizer, nutrient delivery is consistent, predictable, and precisely timed to match availability with plant uptake. With just one application, growers achieve consistent, reliable delivery of nutrients throughout the growing season with significantly reduced leaching, volatilization, and N2O emissions. Research conducted in key production regions demonstrates the fit of controlled release fertilizer as the foundation of modern nutrient management plans. With our state-of-the-art plant design, production facilities can be located closer to the farmers' fields, which lowers investment costs, enables in-market customization, and reduces shipping and handling. Pursell Agri-Tech opened its first controlled released fertilizer manufacturing plant in Sylacauga, Alabama in 2018 and expanded to open a second plant in Savannah, Georgia in 2021, bolstering availability to the Southeast and beyond. Most recently, Pursell launched CRF Agri-Tech with partner Solio Agriculture in Ontario, supplying Pursell controlled release fertilizer to Canada and the Northeast United States. Future expansion plans include the opening of a Midwest plant to meet the needs of broadacre growers in the region. While many manufacturing plants are closing down, we continue to move forward in establishing new operations that provide customers with reliable, affordable, controlled release fertilizer and set a new level of sustainability standards for nutrient management.